Web3 isn't close to reaching its full potential yet. The blockchain you're using today, well, it can't handle what's coming next. The truth is, most of crypto is still stuck in the old world. High fees, slow transactions, and limited functionality that keeps real-time applications off-chain. But that's about to change. A new blockchain called Somnia is building something totally different, a fully on-chain world where gaming, DeFi, SocialFi, and the Metaverse actually work at Web2 scale. Stick around because today we're breaking down why Somnia is the next gen blockchain the industry has been waiting for. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to Bitboy X, home of the Bit Squad, highest IQ investors in all the interwebs. I'm your host who said that I didn't like Somnia and somebody punched me in the face. I kid you not, that's what happened. So anyways, I love it now. If you're ready to dive into the future of fully on-chain applications that sponsor our channel and how Somnia is solving blockchain's biggest limitations, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Let's break down how this layer 1 blockchain is unlocking mass adoption, truly. The problem Somnia is trying to solve. So what is it? Web3 has already revolutionized finance, but it has failed to scale beyond that. Right now, crypto is still largely about trading, yield farming, and speculation. But the real vision of Web3, a decentralized open internet where anyone can build and scale applications that rival Web2, it's still just a daydream. And why is that? Because today's blockchains, they still can't handle real-time high-speed applications. Want to build a fully on-chain MMO game? Impossible. A decentralized Twitter alternative? Not practical. A metaverse that actually runs on-chain? Good luck, sir. Most layer 1 blockchains are slow, expensive, and built for financial applications, not consumer scale platforms. Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, and even Binance Smart Chain all hit scaling walls when it came to real-time, high-frequency applications. That's where Somnia comes in. It's a blockchain that's built for a fully on-chain future. It's not just another layer 1. It's designed from the ground up for applications that require Web 2 level performance. Somnia could be capable of processing 1 million transactions per second with sub-second finality and low fees. Who would have imagined that's even possible? You don't even know what that means. I'll tell you what it means. It means developers can build entirely on-chain experiences without sacrificing speed, costs, or user experience. It's not just theoretical. Somnia is specifically optimized for industries that Web3 has struggled to onboard in. In gaming, fully on-chain games aren't just NFTs slapped onto traditional game servers, but entire game worlds that evolve on-chain. In SocialFi, users can truly own their own social media accounts, controlling their data and no longer being at the mercy of centralized platforms or their boss that says it's theirs. The Metaverse becomes a connected, interoperable virtual society where users can move seamlessly between different worlds and economies. In DeFi, fully on-chain limit order books provide high-speed, transparent, and self-custodial trading experiences. Somnia makes real-time applications practical, creating a seamless user experience that rivals Web 2. The goal? To break down the limits of blockchain and make Web3 scalable for the next billion users. So why EVM, the Ethereum virtual machine? Well, it matters, and this is why Somnia chose it. It was a brilliant strategic move, in my opinion, to be fully EVM compatible. Some of the fastest blockchains like Sui and Aptos Generation 4 blockchains had to sacrifice EVM compatibility to achieve their performance. Don't tell Cassie. That means they're isolated from the largest developer ecosystem in crypto. Somnia takes a different approach. Instead of forcing developers to learn new programming languages and architecture, Somnia keeps everything EVM compatible. That means developers can port their existing Solidity-based dApps onto Somnia with minimal effort. Somnia taps into the massive Ethereum ecosystem while offering performance levels far beyond Ethereum layer 1 and even its layer 2s. This ensures long-term adoption because developers don't need to reinvent the wheel here. They just get better infrastructure with their wheels. By maintaining EVM compatibility while achieving transaction speeds that rival traditional databases, Somnia is already starting to position itself as the blockchain where Web3 and Web 2 finally meet. You see, for Somnia, a fully on-chain world, it's more than just a slogan. It's not just marketing, it's a mission statement. For years, Web3 has talked about decentralization, but the reality is most blockchain applications still rely on Web 2 infrastructure. NFT metadata is still stored off-chain, guys. Hello. Web3 games are mostly hosted on centralized servers still. Even DeFi trading still relies on centralized order execution all across the books almost. Not everywhere, but a lot of places. Somnia is changing that by making fully on-chain applications practical for the first time. Imagine a game where every interaction, every move, every asset is stored and executed on the blockchain. It's not just a vision or a dream anymore, it's now possible. Imagine a social media platform where no centralized entity can shadow ban you or delete your account. We were dying for this years ago. Imagine a metaverse where all the digital assets are seamlessly transferable between worlds. That's the future Somnia is building, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. So what are my final thoughts on Somnia? I think it's a blockchain to watch. It's not just another Ethereum competitor. It's a fundamental shift in what is possible on-chain. By solving Web3 scalability problems, embracing EVM compatibility, and pushing for an on-chain world, Somnia itself is setting itself up to be a major player in the next evolution of blockchain. The real question now is, are you paying attention? So here's the bottom line. Somnia is building the future of Web3, one where applications don't just integrate with blockchain, they run entirely on it. This is Web3 and Web2 scale with real-time applications, fully on-chain gaming, decentralized social networks that actually work. Are you ready for a fully on-chain world? If you are, drop your thoughts down below. If you're not, you're probably not watching this video anymore. But even if you are, don't forget to smash that like button. Also, stay plugged into the Bit Squad by hitting the notification bell. It's all got. Be blessed. Don't be low IQ. Bitboy out.